All right, so number 9, we've seen many times before. We've got what looks like oops, I must drop something. A list of numbers here. So this is a sequence type question. We've got holiday ornaments in different rows. The top row has 2 boxes. How many total boxes are used in the ornament display? So let's just sort of write out what's happening here. We could draw a picture. I'm going to use a little table. So this is going to be the row. This is going to be the number of boxes. So I'm just going to start with the first one being 47. I could start the other way around, but this is just the way I'm going to do it. 2 is then 42. 3 is 37. And we can see right away our pattern. And we could build this whole freaking thing, right? 4 is 32. 5 is 27. 6 is 22. 7 is 17. 8 is 12. 9 is 7. And 10 is 2, right? And they told us to keep going until the top row had 2 boxes. That is super easy to make up. The question then says, how many total boxes were used? So obviously I'm just going to take and add all this up. And that would give me a good number of points. But it says to use the correct notation. So if I'm doing the same adding or subtracting each time, I know I'm doing arithmetic. And we want the total, so we're going to do SN. The nice thing about all this grunt work that I did is that this makes this formula really easy, right? If I want to find the sum, well, I know I'm summing up 10 rows. I know the first row had 47, and the last row had 2, all over 2. If I didn't have this little thing written out, I would have had to do what we did in the previous questions, where I have to go find AN using the formula. So I'd have to use this AN is equal to 47 plus n minus 1 to the negative times negative 5. I would have had to use that formula, except for I wouldn't have known even what my n was because I had to do all of this to figure out what my n is. Oh, actually, no, shit, I know this. I knew the last row had 2. I would have had to do this to figure out my n. I would have had to do this thing to figure out how many rows down I am to figure out this piece. So my point is, if I have this written out, I still get up full points because I'm using the correct formula, but I save myself a lot of algebra and other formula work to get there. So whatever the heck 5 times 49 is, this is 245 ornaments or boxes. Boop, that's it.